It's Sunday, October 4th, fourth day of Vlogtober. And yes, no video from yesterday. Went up last night. The only thing I was able to record yesterday was a little bit of get ready with me, putting my makeup on in the morning, getting ready for work. That was the only thing I had time for. Work was so busy, I can't record anything there, really. So work days are not going to be good videoing days for me. Got off around 5:30, 6, I don't remember. And I was dead tired, so that was about it for the day. So I will go ahead and tack on the little get ready with me portion at some point on this video, I guess, when I put this one together tonight. Right now it is just almost 3 p.m. and I am on my way making a quick run to neighborhood market, Walmart neighborhood market, and I just need to get two things. I need to get a red cabbage, and I need to hopefully get a new sponge mop head. The red cabbage is the main thing because I am making my famous meatloaf tonight for dinner, and I make it with roasted potatoes and carrots and onion and pickled red cabbage. I think you can call it pickled, I don't know. Sweet and sour, I guess that's better. My grandmother's recipe, she always just called it red cabbage. Red cabbage with apples. It's very good. It's kind of a slightly tangy flavor. So I will definitely record how I do that and how I do my meatloaf later on. And I know one of the big surprising things with the meatloaf is going to be what I put in it. But believe me, it really was a vintage thing, because I have seen an actual thing that people have done. No, let me take that back. I have actually seen a printed recipe for doing this. I think it was like maybe in a magazine, but I do it because my grandmother always did it, and I knew no better. I grew up, this is how you make meatloaf. And I remember when I was in high school talking about it, and people were like, what? I never heard of that at all. But yeah, apparently it's a thing, and it's not weird. Yeah, people think it's weird, but it's really good. So yeah, I will show you later that. But yeah, one of my favorite fall dinners. I have not made it in quite a number of years, but it's time to make it now. Anyway, I will share a little bit of the drive here to the store with you, and then I'll talk to you again in a bit. People don't know how to stay 6 feet apart. I got suckered. vlog real quick. So as you would have seen, the secret ingredient is hot dogs. Yes, that apparently was a thing, and that's how I grew up having meatloaf, is with the hot dog down the middle. So basically you just get a little slice of hot dog with your meatloaf, that's all. Not weird or gross or anything to me. Yeah, and I did recently see that there was a recipe that you do that. I guess it was like from the 1950s. But if you think about it, hamburger and hot dogs at a cookout, it doesn't seem weird. Anyway, everything is in the oven, and I'll let you see it when it comes out. I opted to not do the carrots because I did not leave enough room in the pan with the potatoes that I put in. So no big deal. We have the cabbage, we have potatoes, plenty. Big, hearty, home-cooked meal. We'll be stuffed after that. It'll probably last for a couple of days.